Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore Davinci Resolve project. So to do this is pretty simple. So here once you open your Davinci Resolve, you will be met with this. So you have your local, network, and cloud. So you can choose to restore from the cloud. As you can see, you have your restore backup. So I assume you have your backup. You can restore your backup. All you have to do is basically log in. So as you can see right here, all you have to do is log in to get into that. So another way is going to your local. So let's say you deleted it. So here you have the restore button. So here in your restore, it will go to Davinci Resolve, and here you will see in your March. So here you have your Resolve backups. So you have this and this. So it depends if you have made the backup. So if it didn't make the backup automatically, unfortunately you cannot restore it. So there you go guys, most likely it would have been deleted if you have not saved it at time. So let's just see if I have any. So it looks like I don't. So that's just basically how it works. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.